Hello, and welcome to Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh's Teen Time at Home. My name is Dan. I'm happy you could join us again today. For today's activity, we're going to be slowing down a little bit, considering where we've been over this last year and a half and where we're about to go. But first, I'd like to show you a few quick techniques for grounding yourself. This is useful when you're feeling anxious at home or in school. Place your feet on the ground, and in your imagination, pick your favorite color to draw an outline around each foot. Start at the heel, and using your imaginary pencil, slowly go up the side of your foot to your pinky toe, and then make sure you draw around each toe and then back towards the heel. Repeat on the other foot. Another way to focus on your feet when you are in a stressful situation is just wiggle your toes inside of your shoe. Pay attention to the sensation as you move each separate toe. Do some move independently of the others? Tense up your whole foot and then stretch it out. Don't forget to breathe. I'm glad you decided to be with us today for this activity, and we'd love to know what you're interested in and would like to do in the future. Please let us know down in the comments or send us an email to teens@carnegielibrary.org. How are you all feeling? Are you excited to get back to school? Maybe a little anxious? My son Ollie is about to go to school for the first time, and he's definitely anxious. So I wanted to share this activity with him. Let's go see what he's up to. All right, so we've got Ollie back for the first time in a while, and one of the kit that I put together for you all, is your back to school in case you get nervous kit. And Ollie is starting school for the first time, and he might be a little bit nervous. So I got some surprises from here for you. All right, what do you got? Notebook. Cool. All right, what else?
A squishy donut.
Squishy donut.
Squish.
So you get a little bit stressed out, you can just like squish it?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
I got another squishy since there's a cat that wears sunglasses.
Okay, a squishy cat for sunglasses, so you could squish in each hand?
And here is a cat that's normal, that's yellow and the white.
Okay, that's good. What else?
A yellow squeaky mask that you can squish.
A squish, a lot of squishies. So like sometimes when you just squish.
Yeah, I can squish them all together.
Okay.
Ooh, stretchy. Stretch.
Oh yeah, click, click. What do you like to click?
Quick.
Click. And what's this?
Play-Doh?
Yeah. And then we've got this. This is for your phone. You don't have a phone yet, but
I have an iPad.
you have an iPad. But you can put this on the back of it and your little pop socket. Can you tell everyone how you breathe? Whenever you get really stressed out, you breathe in really big through the nose and then blow out the candles. And you breathe in through your nose, and blow out the candles. What's that help you? How's that help you?
But this.
Does it calm you down?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about the pencil.
This is a pencil, but I don't really know how to get this out of it.
Okay, well, we'll sharpen it later. All right. Well, good luck in school this year, Ollie.
Thank you.
All right, and good luck to all of you in school. I'll see you at the library. If you like today's activity and are interested in learning more, check out these books. The first is the Mindfulness and Acceptance Workbook for Teen Anxiety, Activities to Help You Overcome Fears and Worries Using Acceptance and Commitment Therapy by Sheri Turrell. With anxiety, your mind is overwhelmed, imagining all of the unknowns. When we get stuck imagining all of the things that freak us out, we can also take time to remind ourselves that in that sea of big questions are many positive outcomes. What if you're about to have a great year? What if you're about to make some excellent new friends? This book has some exercises that can help you figure some of that out. The next is Life Inside My Mind. 31 authors share their personal struggles. Life Inside My Mind is an anthology of true life events of personal struggle. These essays tackle everything from neurodiversity to addiction to OCD to PTSD and much more. The goals of this book range from providing home to those who are feeling alone, awareness to those who are witnessing a friend or family member struggle, and to open the floodgates to conversation. Finally, I wanted to share one of my favorite books with you. Now, this is found in the children's section, but I think you'll like it anyway. This is Neil Gaiman's Instructions. Follow a traveler on a dangerous journey in this illustrated Neil Gaiman poem, a perfect reminder to always be on the lookout for magic and wonder. Sometimes, like now, we need those two things the most. We've all been through so much. Take the time to be proud of your strength and be gentle with yourself if home and school feel overwhelming. You're all stronger than you know, and if you need help, we're here. You've got this. Thank you again for hanging out for Teen Time at Home. Find us on Instagram at CLP Teen Space and share how you're feeling. Show us your favorite fidget toy from your kit and what you want to do this year. Keep an eye out for grab-and-go activity kits at your neighborhood CLP location to participate with us. We miss you and look forward to creating with you soon. See you soon. Bye.